What if I told you you can eat anything you want, biryani, rice, chips, ice cream, and still lose weight? The most important and fundamental fat loss tip that's going to change your life forever in this video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is something I notice a lot of people do the day they decide they want to start losing weight. One, they try to go 100% clean. Two, they cut down on rice and replace it with chapati, thinking that that's a better option to lose weight. Three, they throw away all of their junk food. Four, they don't eat carbs post sunset, and some of them even go to a point where they're like, hey, I eat only this much per day, but I'm still not losing weight. If you are one among them, I sure was when I started off. Hit that like button for me, because I promise you this one video, it will change your perspective.
Hey, Yaro, you know? Hey, who are you, bro? Why the hell should I listen to you, huh?
Well, that's a valid question. But in the recent years, I have transformed my body multiple times, and I've also helped others with their fat loss transformation. So I do think I have some expertise on this. And today I'll be teaching you the same concepts I have used on myself and everyone else I have trained.
Whoa, sorry, boss.
So the most fundamental concept you should understand is, drum rolls please, calories in versus calories out. What does that mean? So first, let's go over calories. A calorie is simply a unit of energy. It's a measurement like inches, degrees, or kilograms. In terms of nutrition, a calorie is a unit used to measure the amount of energy in food or a drink. So pretty much everything you eat or drink has calories. Your body needs certain amount of calories per day in order to function properly. Now, calories are made up of mainly three macronutrients: carbs, fats, and protein. So, the total number of calories you consume per day is equal to the sum of the total amount of protein, carbs, and fat you consume per day. So everything you eat or drink will have one, two, or a combination of all these three macronutrients. Let's take a random nutritional label as an example. Here I've taken the label of my whey protein. As you can see, each serving, which is 25 grams, has 0 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. Now, as seen in the label, macronutrients will be in grams. So let us see how many calories are each of these macronutrients. First, 1 gram of carbs is equal to 4 calories. 1 gram of protein is equal to 4 calories. And 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. So 1 gram of carb and 1 gram of protein are both 4 calories, and 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. Therefore, as an example, if I am consuming 100 grams of carbs, 100 grams of fat, and 100 grams of protein per day, that means I am consuming a total of 1700 calories per day. Awesome. Hopefully that was easy to understand. Now all you need to do is find out how many calories you should be consuming per day to maintain your current weight. This is also known as your maintenance calories. Basically eating the same amount of calories that you're burning, which is calories in is equal to calories out. So in theory, that basically means your weight will relatively stay the same because you are burning as many calories as you are consuming. And once you have that number, here's the secret to losing weight. If you consume lesser calories than that number, that is termed as a calorie deficit, and you will start losing weight. And if you consume more calories than that number, that is termed as a calorie surplus, and you will put on weight. And that's it, folks. There you go.
Oh, okay. But how?
Don't worry, I got you covered. There are two very simple ways of doing this. Number one is on Google, type TDEE calculator, which stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure Calculator. Open the first link and type in your age, your weight, your height, your activity level, and boom, it will spit out a number.
Hey, I only know my weight, boss.
Okay, I'm not gonna judge. The second method is even more simpler. You will take your body weight in pounds and multiply by a number between 14 to 16, where 14 to 16 is a range of your activity level, which means you will multiply by 14 if you're not that active, by 15 if you're moderately active, and 16 if you're super active. Simple. And finally, what you need to understand is that none of these methods are accurate. In fact, no method out there is 100% accurate. It's all about trial and error. Whatever number you get or whatever the number the calculator provides you, use that as a reference point. Start off by consuming that amount of calories per day, test it for a week and see if the weight goes up, goes down, or is relatively the same. If your weight is going up, then cut your calories a bit. If your weight stays relatively the same, then there you go. That's your maintenance calories. And then you can slowly start cutting down in order to lose weight. So to sum it all up, as long as you are on a calorie deficit, you can eat whatever the hell you want. It's not about what you're eating, it's about how much you're eating. You can eat rice, chips, ice cream every single day, as long as you're hitting those calorie numbers. I personally like following the 80-20% rule, where I'm eating 80% clean or healthy and the other 20% whatever I feel like eating. There is no point going all out 100% clean. According to me, that is not sustainable. That is one of the reasons why I make recipe videos with calorie breakdown. Many people think you cannot eat your favorite food or Indian food and still make gains and lose weight. But I'm here to tell you, you can.